Assalamu alaikum students. Today you will do another exercise about common and proper noun. So let's start. Hafsa is with me and she will do how you have to solve the next exercise that I have given you about common and proper noun. Okay, open Hafsa, open your copy. Take out the portion of noun. This is the portion of the noun. Yesterday she did one exercise about common and proper noun that I have given you. Now she will do another exercise. Look at here. What's the exercise? Read exercise.
Abu Ali count his
First
donkey.
read all exercise. Find
out common and proper noun from Abu Ali count his donkey.
Counts
his donkey.
donkeys.
Donkeys.
Okay, hold the pencil and write the date. Today is 30th of November. Right here. Okay. For this exercise, you need your Broadway book because the lesson is given in your Broadway book. Open it. This is the lesson. Abu Ali counts his donkey. Next page. Okay, first of all, read the lesson and hold the pencils in your hand. Hold the yellow color in your hand. It will be good. Okay, it will be better. So, underline only nouns. Okay, all common and proper nouns. Only you have to underline the nouns. Okay, let's start. Read the lesson.
Abu Ali count Abu Ali. One day Abu Ali went to the fair.
Which one is noun in this?
Abu Ali.
Yes, underline it.
He bought
Fair. Fair is also noun. Give me your color. Just only underline, okay? Like this. Now here, read the next sentence.
He bought 9 donkeys.
Yes.
Bought.
Bought is noun. What happened to you? Bought is a verb.
Donkey.
Yes. Yes. Read the next one.
He rode on one of them.
Next.
The other donkeys walked behind him.
Donkeys again.
After a while, Abu thought, "Are all my donkeys here?" And
underline nouns in this line. Good.
And he turned around to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where's number 9? Abu said.
Abu.
He jumped down to stood near his donkey. He looked behind the rocks.
He looked behind the rocks. Which one is noun? He looked behind the rocks. Behind? No. Looked is verb. He is pronoun. What happened to you? He looked behind the rocks. Rocks? Yeah.
He looked behind the trees. But there was no donkey there. I will count them again, Abu said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He must
He must
have
Come.
come back. So Abu climbed back onto the donkey. He
and
rode
donkey again.
donkey. He rode again
Away.
away. After a while, he count his donkey on again. He saw only 8. He got down again. He looked behind the rocks. He looked behind the trees. But there was no donkey there.
Hey, yes, there. I'll
can
count
them again, he thought, and now he
counted.
counted 9 donkeys.
Just
then Abu saw his friend Musa. Musa, he called, help me to count my donkeys, please. I will stop. When I stop to count, I have only 8. When I go down,
get
down to look after for the 9th, there he is on again. Well, I can see the 10 donkeys. Abu laughed Musa. "10? How can you see 10? asked Abu. You are sitting one of them
on one,
and there are 8 donkeys behind you," said Musa.
Musa is also Musa. Of course,
said Abu. How silly of me. But there is.
But
where is the 10th donkey? He is sitting on top of the first donkey, said Musa, and his name is Abu Ali.
Yes. And last one is donkey. Okay, Hafza, now hold the green color for proper noun and red color for common noun. First of all, write P for all proper noun. On the top of the proper noun, you have to write P with green color. Okay, start now. Abu Ali is proper noun and you have written P. Okay, next page. Find the proper noun here. Musa is proper noun. Well done. Okay, now hold the red color for the common noun and write C on the common noun.
C.
Yes. What is this? Fair. Donkeys common noun. Okay, and don't write C again and again. There are a lot of time donkeys word. Okay, so write only once. Okay, what is this? Rocks. Trees. Well done.
Donkey.
Fine. Have you finished? Okay. Now you have to write these words in your... Okay, Hafsa, now you have to write common noun in the portion of common noun in the notebook. So what are the common nouns in this chapter? Tell me.
Common noun Abu Ali.
Common noun. I said common noun.
Common noun fair.
Yeah.
Donkey.
First write fair here.
Fair.
Write from your book.
Fair.
Comma. Now write the next word.
Donkeys.
Yes.
Donkeys.
Yes. And
Rock.
yes.
Rocks.
And
Trees.
very good.
Trees.
Now the words are repeating here. Okay, so come to the next page. And here, what type of the common noun do you see? Actually, you left one word, that is friend. This is the friend. Yeah, friend is also noun. Tell me the type of the noun. What type of the noun friend is?
Friend is common noun.
Very good. Write common C on the top. Friend. Friend is also common noun. And write friend here. Okay. All common nouns you have written. Fair, donkeys, rocks, trees, and friends. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 common nouns. There are 5 common nouns in this chapter. And now write proper nouns. What are the proper nouns in this chapter?
Abu Ali.
And the next one?
The Musa.
Okay. There are only 2 proper nouns. So write Abu Ali.
Abu Ali.
Comma. And the next
Musa.
is Musa. Well done. First one exercise you have, the second exercise. Actually, this was the second exercise you have done successfully. So I will give you excellent for this. And the students, you have to do the exercise by yourself and you can send me on my WhatsApp. Okay, bye-bye.